My friends are coming tonight. I'm having a dinner party.
Made this pork belly bao bun. As usual, all my friends had different ideas for what to eat. We decided to draw an egg. I got pork belly stew, tender and juicy pork belly stew, and I decided to make with fluffy bao bun.
Making the pork belly stew. Soy sauce, honey, shallots, barley puree, 2-star anise, and the sugar for making caramel. And of course, pork belly. Oh, I almost forgot one ingredient. Cooking wine.
Slice the pork belly into thick rectangular pieces. Finally, chop the shallots. Sear the pork belly until golden brown. Once the pork belly turns golden brown, take them out. Making the caramel. Let the sugar melt and wait until it turns amber color. Return pork belly back to the pan and toss it coated in the caramel. Add cooking wine. Shallot. Garlic puree and star anise and some water. Low heat and let it stew for 2 hours.
Now I'm going to make the fluffy bao bun. Flour, sugar, milk powder, yeast, oil, water.
Add all the ingredients to the mixer. Mix until it forms to a dough. Rolling and folding the dough repeatedly helps achieve that smooth and shining finish. Cut the dough into circles and make the half-moon shape. Let the bao bun proof in double and steam it. Now everything's ready. Let's plate up. I have prepared vinegar, cucumber, and some peanut powder. Wow, it looks so delicious and stunning. Let's see if they like it. After they tasted and gave me a review, state that bao is fluffy, pork is very tender and flavorful with tangy cucumbers and peanut powder. It's a winning combination. A score of 92. Woo!
Seems everyone loved it. I will make more recipes like this. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.